It's like a drug, an insatiable demand for the latest cell phone, computer, TV, and other tech gadgets. But what happens when they're no longer wanted?
The problem that we're sitting with is not everybody knows what electronic waste is, so not everybody knows where to go with electronic waste or what to do with electronic waste. So that's a stumbling block we have, why there's only a small quantity of nationwide or worldwide electronic waste being recycled.
Ilse van Wyk didn't know either when she started Africa E-Waste 5 years ago.
I'm going to put the blame solely on my husband's shoulders. He was the one who came home one day and said, you know, e-waste is the next big thing in South Africa many years ago. And I looked at him and I said to him, what is e-waste?
Electronic waste is anything that works off a battery or electricity. Africa E-Waste has stepped in to recycle all of these gadgets. The company keeps 360 tons of e-waste from being dumped every year.
It's quite labor intensive and it takes quite a process to do all of this. But what I like about that is to dismantle it. It gives, it's labor intensive, so it creates a lot of jobs.
Africa E-Waste employs 15 fully trained staff members. Once the items come in, they're checked for data and the hard drives are wiped before being refurbished or dismantled.
This is what is going to happen to all of the items. We're going to scan them in and then we normally take the stuff to the workshop to decide whether the item could be used again or could be refurbished.
We've got a system called Blanco and we sanitize all the hard drives with that system, and we actually give our clients a certificate, a sanitization certificate with a serial number on to say this has been cleaned. With the PC now, we've gone through the whole system where we say, okay, this thing can't be reused. So then all the components you get sorted, plastic one side, steel one side. There's a lot of wires and stuff, so you need to unhook all the stuff off the motherboard. You need to take the battery one side. There's aluminium on it, you need to dismantle the aluminium.
Electronic waste recycling is regulated by strict laws. If the equipment isn't disposed of properly, it becomes hazardous to the environment. Despite this, most e-waste still ends up in landfill sites. But companies like Africa E-Waste are trying to prevent this from happening by promoting proper dismantling and recycling. Sumitra Nydoo, CCTV, Johannesburg, South Africa.